In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and match receipts in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your receipts organized in QuickBooks is one of the easiest ways to keep your books accurate and ready for tax time. We'll walk through the full process, from getting your receipts into QuickBooks to matching them with the right transactions from your bank feed. First, let's upload your receipts. After you log into QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand menu. Click on Transactions, and then choose the Receipts tab. This is the main workspace where you'll see anything you upload and where QuickBooks will try to read and match those receipts. You have a few different ways to upload. The first is drag and drop. If your receipts are already saved on your computer as JPEG, PNG, or PDF files, simply open the folder on your computer, select the files you want, and drag them directly into the autofill area on the screen. You should see a small upload indicator showing that QuickBooks is receiving those files. If you prefer, you can use the Upload button instead. Click something like Upload from Computer or Upload Files depending on your version. This will open a file browser where you can navigate to your receipt images, select them, and confirm. This is especially handy if you like to choose receipts one by one. You can also set up email forwarding so that receipts you receive by email go straight into QuickBooks. Once that's configured, you just forward those emails to your custom address, and QuickBooks will pull the attachments in as receipts. This is great for things like online subscriptions or travel confirmations. After your receipts are uploaded, QuickBooks uses optical character recognition, or OCR, to read the key details such as vendor, amount, and date. Give it a moment to process. Larger files or batches may take a little longer. Next, let's match those receipts. Still in the Receipts section, click the For Review tab. Here, you'll see the receipts that have been uploaded but not fully processed or matched yet. QuickBooks will try to find potential matches from your connected bank or credit card feeds. Look for indicators that show there are suggested matches. Select a receipt and click See Suggested Matches. A list of possible transactions will appear. Choose the one that clearly corresponds to that receipt and then click Match to link them. If QuickBooks doesn't find an automatic match, you still have options. You can search manually for an existing transaction, or you can create a brand new expense directly from the receipt. Fill in the payee, choose the correct category, and then select Save and Close to record it. Before finalizing anything, always double-check the payee, category, and amount. Taking a few extra seconds here ensures your reports, taxes, and budgets stay accurate and reliable.